This season doesn't feature so many notable storms, and none of them got retired. So here is the name list for this season. Now, because this wasn't a very notable season, I will only be covering one storm, which was the most notable, Betsy. A tropical wave moved off the coast of Africa on August 4th. It developed into Tropical Storm Betsy, and it developed on August 9th to the east of the Lesser Antilles. It rapidly strengthened into a 105 miles per hour hurricane before striking Guadalupe with a minimum central pressure of 979 millibars. On August 12th, a slightly weakened Betsy struck northeastern Puerto Rico near Maunabo with winds of 100 miles per hour and quickly crossed the island. In Puerto Rico, Betsy strengthened steadily, and it headed northwestward, and it became a major hurricane on the 13th. While being north of the Turks and Caicos, it attained peak winds of 120 east of the Bahamas. It later turned northeastward, attaining its lowest central pressure of 954 millibars. It later became extratropical early on August 18th and dissipated 2 days later north of the Azores. As you could see, it was observed from the San Juan radar. It was actually the first to be observed from the San Juan radar. It resulted in the first hurricane warning to be broadcasted on television in Puerto Rico. The hurricane left $40 million in damage and 16 deaths, which prompted the declaration of a federal disaster area. Locally, the hurricane was known as the Santa Clara Hurricane.